Thanks for joining me for today's Beyond the Bobber Fishing Tips in 2 minutes. I'm Mr. R. This is the Rondinelli Project. Let's start that clock. Hit it! This is the no-knot fast snap. They generally come in 3 sizes: small, medium, and large. They're made from spring stainless steel. The purpose of the snap is so I can change my jig, hook, or lure quickly without needing to retie every time. It's a great time saver. This setup is ideal when I'm fishing for panfish. There are all types of knots to choose from. Many anglers debate about what is best, and quite honestly, when it comes to panfish, I use the basic fisherman's knot. It works just fine for freshwater panfish and 4-pound test line. Now, for the beginner, here is a diagram showing how to tie that knot, just in case you aren't sure. When I tie on a no-knot fast snap, it is very helpful, and I highly recommend using a pair of locking hemostats. It makes the entire process a snap, pun intended. Now, when I want to change my jig color, fly hook, or whatever, it's easy and a big time saver. These clips will even float with a dry fly. I get my snaps from Amazon in packs of 100. Like I said earlier, they come in small, medium, and large sizes. And that's it for today. I'm Mr. R, and that's my Beyond the Bobber 2-minute tip. Give it a try. Drop me a comment on how it worked for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn that bell on for notification of my future videos. This is the Rondinelli Project. Good luck on the water. So until my next video, we gone.